Hi everyone, I hope you're all well and I hope you've had a lovely week so far. So, I recently rediscovered Life of Rizza. For anyone who's watched Rizza or any of her content or her boyfriend cult's content, you'd know that they're very cinematic and they're very good at what they do. So I've been hit by a wave of kind of inspiration and motivation and like grr, to just try a little bit harder in my filming, to be a bit more intentional with how I do everything that I do. So far, I'd say today's been quite a relaxed day. I didn't go to the gym this morning because I went yesterday and I wasn't really feeling it today, but I probably work out later in the afternoon. I organized my music because I had to do that for practice this afternoon, and now I think I'm gonna have some lunch or maybe just go do some work outdoors again because I've been indoors the entire morning. It's been great. It's been a great day so far and I'm quite grateful. Before we go, I know you've probably noticed my hair. Somebody said I look like this person. I don't know how to feel about that. Anyway, this is because I have to retighten my locks. I've said this loads and loads of times and I have never actually fulfilled what I've said. I keep asking if you guys want to see me redo my locks and some people have said yes, and I still always forget to film it because I always do the retightening at night, so it's like lighting. Anyway, I will actually try this time to show you guys how I do what I do. It's not hard, it's just that it's a lot of hair, that's all. But either way, there's loads of different people with locks on the internet and they do such an amazing job. I just do what I can and it works. So you look so grouchy. Why are you so grouchy? What's wrong?